Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always staying true. Today we are going to do something very interesting. It's a continuation to what we have treated. We have introduced matrices. We've also looked at how to add and subtract matrices. Today is on multiplication of matrices. Please, if today is your first time, I will leave the link to these ones we have treated so that you will join us there and see how those were touched. Then it will help you to follow through in what you are going to do now. Okay, please stay back and make sure with your pen, and pencil, because it's going to be very, very interactive. Okay, now let's look at how to multiply matrices. In multiplying matrices, you can multiply matrices with a constant, just a number. You can also multiply matrices by another matrix. Let's start with multiplying matrices with a number. Then we now go to the second one. Please, it's very interesting. You are going to enjoy it. Okay, so the question says this is matrix P and this is matrix Q. We are asked to evaluate half matrix P. Let's do that. We have, this is P as 2, 1, 5, and minus 3. Now we are looking for half of P. That's half of this matrix. And that will give us, you are going to use this half to multiply each of the entries of matrix P. I hope it's clear. Let me re-explain. Use half to multiply each of these entries. And when you are done doing that, that is the answer to the question. So let's do it together. We have, this is half is multiplying 2. Half, we multiply 1. Half, we multiply 5, and the same half, we multiply minus 3. So if we multiply out, what are we going to have? Let's take it to this part. This is 2 over 1. Half times 2 will give us 1. This is half times 1 will give us half. And this is half times 5 will give us 5 over 2. This is half times minus 3 will give us minus 3 over 2. You can also leave it this way. This is 1. Half is same as 0.5. 5 over 2 will give us 2.5. And minus 3 over 2 will give us minus 1.5. So you can leave it as a decimal. You can also leave it as a fraction. Okay, let's look at the second question there. 2P minus matrix Q. So what do? The same thing we did there is just very simple. We are going to use 2 to multiply matrix P and then subtract Q from it. So we have, this is 2 into matrix P, 2, 1, 5, and minus 3, minus, what is matrix Q? 4 minus 8, 1, and minus 2. So we are going to have, use 2 to multiply each entry of P. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Please, if today is the first time of coming across us, please subscribe to our channel to encourage subsequent ones, and make sure you leave your comment with us, like and share. Please make sure you subscribe. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, let's continue. So we have 2 times 2 will give us 4, 2 times 1 will give us 2, and 2 times 5 will give us 10, 2 times minus 3 will give us minus 6. Then we are subtracting 4 minus 8, 1, and minus 2. I hope you are still there with us. Remember we said when we treated subtraction of matrices, we said you can subtract matrices that are of the same order. So this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2, so we can subtract them. So we have 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus minus 8, 2 minus minus 8, minus times minus is plus, and 2 plus 8 will give us 10. So here is 10. I hope you are still there. 10 minus 1 will give us 9. Minus 6 minus minus 2. Minus 6 minus minus 2. This is minus 6. Minus times minus is plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 will give us minus 4. So here will give us minus 4. So when you subtract this, you are going to have 0, 10, 9, and minus 4 as an answer.